Hey guys, it's TK from Profit Stream, and in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make and edit flyers on Canva. So the first question that pops in your mind is, does anybody still use flyers in 2024? Well, the short answer is yes. Flyers are still one of the most powerful marketing tools you can use. Why? Because they're affordable, they can reach a wide audience, they're eye-catching, they can be used in multiple ways, easy to produce, and they're effective. So let's design our flyer. So first off, let's open up Canva. Let's click on create a design. Now let's type in flyers. Okay, so here you have different scales and different formats of flyers. You have beauty flyers, beach flyers, club flyers, bakery flyers. If your theme is here, you can pick it. If not, you can just click on a flyer here that doesn't have anything. So what's cool about Canva is that it has ready to use themes. So let's say you have a baby shower. Okay, you just type in baby shower. Okay, it's a girl. You can see here that you can click on any one of these by just one click, and there you go. Now you can click on the text, change it. Let's say it's TK. Okay, for instance. It's just easy. Let's make one from scratch. So let's say Profit Stream has an event coming up, okay, and we want to use the flyers. So we have to put our branding, we have to put our colors, and we have to use the same fonts as the logo. So if you click on the blank page, it directly selects the background. Okay, so let's click on this one. I already have the colors made. These are the Profit Stream colors. Okay, so now let's add our branding. I pre-uploaded these pictures. This is the logo. Just drag and drop. Now Canva has these lines. You can see them, that shows that you're center aligned. Okay, perfect. Now let's add some text. Just click on the text here. You can either add the text box, a heading, subheading, or you can just see their font combinations here. Okay, now I personally like this one, glow. Let's say welcome. Okay, let's make it smaller a bit. Now, okay, perfect. Now let's put it in the middle. Let's change its color a bit. Now, with Canva, what's cool, if you have a picture inserted, it automatically takes all the different colors and gives them as palettes you can use. You see, these colors are from this. Okay, are from the logo. So let's click on the welcome. Let's play around. Oh, I like this one. So let's play around a bit. This is nice. Okay, this is a neon effect. Really nice. Okay. Okay, so now let's change its font to the company's font. Welcome. You see? Now we take it like this. Let's keep the bold and the uppercase. Now let's add some text. So we're just gonna click on it, duplicate it. Okay, so I've added some text. Okay, now you might ask why this text, it has a font size of 104 and this text has 50 and these have 35. Well, that's called text hierarchy. That means this text is more important than this one and that is more important than this one. Okay, so that's text hierarchy. I tapped on that in the previous video. You can go and see that. I'll leave the link below. Okay, so now it's still a bit dull. Okay, so let's add some more branding. Let's get the logo here. Okay, let's put in the logo. Maybe we're gonna edit its transparency. Now here you can play with its transparency. Let's put it like this. Maybe let's add a couple more here. Okay, this is turning out to be very nice. Okay, so now here I played with their transparency and put it in the black because I like it. Now let's add this handsome face. Okay, now as you can see, we can't add it as it is because it looks horrible. Now if you're a pro subscriber, you just double click on it, you click on effects. Here in the Magic Studio you have a background remover. It's called BG remover. Here you just click on it and wait, and the magic will happen on its own. Perfect. I still want to get rid of the microphone, so there's a brush. I'm gonna make it bigger. Okay, and I just get rid of the microphone, which is perfect. That's it. Done. Okay. Okay, it's horrible. I'm gonna not gonna use that. Well, it's fine as it is. Okay. So now let's say I want to change something. Let's say on the background, and I can't click it. Here I can click it, but let's just say that I can't click it. I'm gonna show you how to see what position they are in, because sometimes, like here, it gets a bit messy. So you go to the position and you just click on whichever you wanna edit, or even you can change their position. So let's say I wanna put this photo in the background. Okay, I just click on position. You see here, now it's on top. Okay, just click and drag, drop it before. You see here, now it's behind the text. So that's it for this video. Now you know how to make and edit flyers using Canva. Hey guys, thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Till next time, it's TK from Prophet Stream.